Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if you have an original camera on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first and easiest thing that you can do is let's hop into the settings on your phone. Oh, let me go back to the original screen. And we are going to tap on General here, and then About at the very top. You'll be able to see a variety of different information, and right around where it says coverage expired, either above or below that, you should be able to see if there is a replaced camera on there, it will show up. So it'll look something like this. This is the support page by Apple, and it says on here if basically Apple itself has replaced or repaired that camera. It will say on here parts and service history, camera, genuine Apple part. However, it might say camera unknown here next to parts and service history. And it might mean that it was replaced with a non-genuine camera, it was already used or installed on another iPhone, or it isn't functioning as expected. Now, if you suspect that it is a non-genuine camera, maybe someone basically sold you this phone and you're not sure if the camera on the back or the front are actual Apple cameras, this is the easiest and best way to tell. Just go in here and see if it says unknown part, then it was replaced by a third-party camera on the front or back. However, there are other things you can check as well. Let's swipe over and just open up our camera here. You're going to go to 0.5x all the way to 3x here. Check the zoom and the feature and basically take a photo and video. And then switch it around to the front camera. And again, try to zoom out or zoom in. And you're testing the video as well as the photo and making sure all of those work as they should and as expected. And the last thing you're going to do is basically just test and inspect the cameras themselves. Make sure that there aren't any weird seams, there aren't any issues where it looks a little bit cloudy, or it looks like somebody kind of pried in that area and replaced something. Of course, if it is a genuine Apple camera on the back here, it should be perfect. The flash should be perfect. All of the cameras should be perfect. As well as on the front, you want to check those and make sure there aren't any kind of scratches or indents or issues that might indicate that those have been replaced. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.